What's happening with the markets? What you see right there is the S&P 500, and you can see the downtrend over here. You can see where it's bouncing off this support line. What do I think is going to happen? Well, it's one of two things. Either, of course, it's going to continue going low below the support, which is not good news if it does. Although I'm more inclined to think it's probably going to bounce around between these two lines. Now, you can call that a triangle or a wedge, depending on how you look at these things, and eventually it's going to break out above or below these, and usually it goes from the base here about 2/3 of the way along before it breaks out, so it shouldn't be too long. I don't think it's going to drop below this before then, and I'll only be making a decision on what to do a little bit later on. Now, that's an important point. If I don't need to make a decision today, then I'll just wait until I've got more information, and I'll make the decision later. And I don't think I need to make a decision whether or not it's going to go below support or whether it'll go higher. Don't need to make that at the moment. I don't even need to guess which way it's going to go. I think it's pretty unclear at the moment which way it'll go. There's a strong case to be made in the short term it'll fall below. Certainly the momentum looks that way. There's equally a case to be made because of the support and the interest rate decision by the Fed, that the market's taken some relief, that the Fed's taking some action, and therefore it will move up a bit. But it's way too early to tell whether we resume upwards, and if we do, it'll be a gentle slope. It won't be the kinds of markets we've seen where it was accelerating up here over the last few years, or whether we fall off a cliff. And again, I don't think we'll fall off a cliff as such. I think we'll probably just have a more gentle rise in the markets. That's where we are with it. Look at the links in the bio and follow for more. Check, whoops, where's he gone? Check that bit out. I can't get it right. There we go. Check that bit out as well. I'm not drunk. And like I said, follow and like for a lot more. Thank you very much.